everyone, it's Carol painting in my art room today, and I'm going to do a swipe on black base and just a minimal swipe through the middle with a white cell activator. I haven't used white cell activator for a long time, so stick around and let's see how it goes. Hi, welcome everybody. I'm just making a big mess here. I'm laying down my black house paint on my tile to do a swipe. So I've got some, this is Bahama Blue and Aquamarine Extreme Sheen mixed together. And I got some red. This is Carmen Red by Amsterdam. And I think I'll use, this is a Pearl-X blue-green. Just debating. I'm just going to put a bit of gold or a copper in there. Maybe a little bit of copper. All right, I'm going to swipe with white on this. I haven't done many of these before, like with that tool, so I got a little practice. I mix this up again. I just made this. This is Amsterdam white with Australian Floetrol 3-to-1. Just going to give it a really good stir. I don't know. Let's try. I want to do a swishy one. Whoa. I like to go over that a little bit. There, that's fine. I haven't haven't used white cell activator for a while. I've been into the black lately, so. Well, that looks kind of pretty, isn't it? Oh, maybe I'll just leave that. Maybe not. Maybe I'll swipe it. All right. Okay, I'm going to spin this now. And that's what I was looking for. I'm going to tilt. That's good. Stretch it a bit. I'm going to go the other way. I don't know how many times I come down to my art room to tidy up, and I end up painting. That's just what I do. Well, at least today I didn't come down here till later, so I did manage to get a few things done in the house upstairs. I'm in the basement, so. All right, let's go back again. All right, let's take it back. That's kind of cool. I'll just stretch it down this way a little bit more. And then I will leave it. All right, I went over another painting, so I hope this dries okay. I don't know what these little things are here, but I'll give it a little spin. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to leave it and let it dry and see what happens. But I like it. I like it. I like these little wispy things. There. All right, I'm gonna put this one to dry, and I'll put the dried results at the end. Come back to Carol's art room. Have a good day, everybody. Bye. Hi, everybody. I came to see my dried tile. It dried, stayed in one spot, but the problem is I poured over top of another painting. On a tile, it's not a good thing. So the underneath paint was bubbling. I mean, it's dry now and it's kind of flat, but I guess because there's, I don't know, it's a tile, I guess. That's why the paint underneath lifts up when it's wet. So I should have removed the other paint first. But anyway, here it is. I just thought I would show you anyway. I will probably remove this and do another one. If you soak this in water, the paint will lift off the tile because it's not primed underneath. Anyway, there you go. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.